Welcome. In this video, we will dive into advanced SQL topics that will enhance your database skills and enable you to tackle more complex data challenges. Advanced SQL topics encompasses techniques and functionalities that go beyond basic querying. Mastering these concepts is essential for efficient database management and complex data analysis. Window functions allow you to perform calculations across a set of table rows related to current row. Functions like row number, rank, and dense rank are commonly used for tasks such as ranking and running totals. Common table expressions or CTE enhance query readability and organization. They can also be recursive, allowing you to work with hierarchical data effectively. Here is how recursive CTEs function. Subqueries are queries nested within another query. They can be correlated depending on the outer query values or non-correlated. Let us explore examples of both types. Indexing is crucial for improving query performance. Various types of indexes such as unique, composite, and full text indexes serve different purposes. Understanding when and how to use them is key to optimizing database performance. Transactions ensure data integrity during operations. Understanding isolation levels such as read, committed, and serializable is vital for managing concurrent transactions and avoiding issues like dirty reads. Stored procedures and functions allow you to encapsulate SQL logic for reuse. While stored procedures perform operations, functions return values. Each has its distinct use cases in database programming. Optimizing queries is essential for performance. Tools like Explain help analyze execution plans, allowing you to identify bottlenecks and improve your SQL queries. In conclusion, mastering advanced SQL topics is essential for effective database management and analysis. I encourage you to explore these concepts further to enhance your SQL skills. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share with others.